Hi guys! I know it hasn't been a long time, but I didn't do loads because I'm only 8 and I don't need to do loads. And yeah, I got a new room. I try not to show you what's under here because I got a surprise for you. Don't worry, that's only my new Sam and Colby. Yeah, so it's my new room. I've got like a dressing table on there instead of being in my brother's room. Well, now it's my sister's room. Bit of a mess over there. And yeah, Xbox controller keeps turning off. Try not to. Dance. And yeah, Sam and Colby again. Right. So now it's Colby on. My fave. No. Focus. Look how cool. That's Colby. That's Sam. They do dress up like girls. So when Colby dresses up, it's Glee, and when Sam dresses up, it's Samantha. So Colby, Sam, Colby. I have to do it for Sam. Oh yeah, this musically. Oh, sorry, it zoomed in still. Wake up, knock. So, if you don't have musically, get it. Yeah. So if you do have musically, go get it. Go follow me. I'll leave it down below in the description. Yeah. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Poetry, ABC's alphabet boy. You're a kid now. Again. Yeah, so I'm going to show you the surprise before it runs out, and yes, I might be getting a reborn. So, close your eyes, go like that. Say that's your eyes. 3, 2, 1. So, this is my baby girl. I've also got Teddy over here. That's him. It's Teddy with his long, beautiful hair. And this is Alice. This is not a friend. This is mine. So, she's got cute little hands. Look at the little feet. Oh yes, she's a baby bunny. She's a baby dressed as a bunny, and she does not have anything hard down here. She's soft. I say she's got my little dwarfism. What is cute is? Oh yeah, this is my new from when I was a baby. Look at that face. Popcorn back. Yeah, bit of a mess over there. Where'd it go? So yeah, that's it. Don't have anything else. I'm gonna ask that boy Snow, whoever reacts to like Dance Mums, try and look at my thing because I think he's not gonna like it. I love his hair. So yeah, I'll leave a comment. Oh yeah. And I'm going to comment down below if Sam and Colby can check out my channel. And if you're here right now, I love you. But I know you're not, because you'll never be here. So, bye. Bedtime. Bedtime. Trying to see straight. Guess what? It's October. In 28 days, it's going to be Halloween. And be Harley Quinn. I might film Halloween night. I'm going to do some music now. Bye. Bye, my lovebirds. That's what I'm going to call you now, my lovebirds.